Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pune Apartment Listings. We are at the most demanded location Baner in Pune West, and we are covering a project which is very popular in central Baner. Let me quickly take you through the amenities here. A swimming pool which is surrounding the gymnasium. Apart from this, here's your kids play area. As you can see, amenities are very well maintained, and this is the current building where we will be showcasing you a 3 BHK apartment which is available for resale. This is the entrance lobby to this particular building. Let's begin the tour of the actual apartment which is available for resale. We have just entered the apartment and that is your foyer area, and here is your living section. This living room is rectangular in shape and it has a dimension of 18 into 11. It is entirely the rectangular patch. I'm urging all the viewers, please observe minute details about the particular apartment. Have a look at the painting work and just see how well the apartment is maintained. This is the ideal apartment to buy. Your entire rectangular living section is here, and that is your guest bedroom right ahead. This guest bedroom has a attached washroom. The CP fittings, the sanitary fittings of all washrooms are of Indian brands. Now we have just entered the guest bedroom. The guest washroom 7 into 5. Friends, this project is on main Baner Road and very close to the highway. It is also very close to the D-Mart on main Baner Road. All the employment hubs are nearby from this particular project. This guest bedroom has a dimension of 14 into 11 and it has access to a private terrace which is covered. Let me take you to the terrace. So that's a curved terrace and nothing high stories obstructing your view. Your address will say it is Baner. So what more do you want? Your guest bedroom is quite spacious. Nowadays, ready to move in apartments are very hard to find in Baner, and most of the viewers are very much aware about this. Hence, this is an ideal opportunity for those buyers to buy this resale apartment which is as good as new. Over the years, this particular project will definitely come under redevelopment and you will get the benefit of having bigger apartments. So right now you can live in Baner by buying this apartment. So right ahead is your dining section, friends. Your dining is different from your living. That is a good part. Living is very spacious. And friends, that is your chef's kitchen. One terrace connecting to the dining area is here. Central terrace. What you see is what you get. The done up kitchen as it is. The society has a provision for MNGL gas pipeline connection. Since we are in Baner, 24/7 power and water supply is available at this particular society. This is a most sought after society in Baner. People who want their address to be Baner, this is the ideal opportunity for them. Let's see the other two bedrooms. So this is your kids bedroom with a separate washroom outside. Same dimensions 7 by 5. Nothing changes in terms of washroom sizes and washroom fixtures and fittings. And friends, your kids bedroom. This kids bedroom again has a dimension of 14 into 11. Nowadays in Baner Balewadi you will come across the kids bedroom to be 10 by 10. This is a king size bed which easily fits into 14 into 11 size bedroom. and double door wardrobes. So far you must have definitely realized it. It is a very used apartment. The carpet area for this apartment is 1350 square feet. Nowadays 1350 square feet carpet area in Barner will cost you 2 crores. This is a very affordable apartment. You can easily buy it. And friends, right ahead is your master bedroom. Again the dimensions remain the same, nothing changes. 14 into 11, where a king size bed is placed and a double door wardrobe. What you see is what you get. The furniture will be a part of the deal. Just have a look at the grand master bed you are getting here and your attached washroom. Friends, as a member of team Pune Apartment Listings, we take in a lot of effort in recording and broadcasting, also discovering such beautiful properties for you. We would request if you could please like and share the video with your friends and family who are hunting for a resale apartment like this in Barner. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We regularly post good updates at good localities across Pune. You can definitely stay connected with us. I am requesting to all the viewers, please go through the description box where I will display the room dimensions and specifications of this particular 3 BHK apartment that is available for sale. If you are interested so far, please give us a call. We will conduct a site visit and the closure will be done by Team Pune Apartment Listings only. Lastly friends, with this apartment you will be allotted one covered car park. So this is the car parking for this particular unit. I hope you have liked the video so far. Thank you for watching.